Hey, great job from downloading that one-page Market Monster cheat sheet. Check your inbox in a few minutes. We're gonna send that straight to you. But before you go, I want you to watch this video right here so I can show you exactly how entrepreneurs just like you is using the same strategy to boost their marketing sales and generate more leads in their business. You're also going to improve your business knowledge without the frustration of thinking you need a large marketing budget, believing you have to be some type of sales expert, or not understanding how to find your target market. So that you understand that you are in the right place, this is the exact same strategy we use to help fire alarm technicians launch and grow their own fire alarm business, IT professionals looking to get into the fire alarm and security industry, and also aspiring entrepreneurs looking to also grow and start their own fire alarm business. And with this system, they've been able to increase their sales, attract the right customers, grow organically and confidently, all without wasting money on ineffective marketing tactics. This isn't just theory, this is what's actually working right now, so let's dive straight in. If you're like most entrepreneurs in this space, you likely ran into one of these problems. You're unclear about your target audience or even your target market. Marketing seems expensive, like if you're wasting money, spending too much money on things that don't work. And sales seems overwhelming. You really don't know how to close and land a lead once they come in. I hear these same problems every single day, but here's the thing, these are just small symptoms of a much bigger problem. There's a lack of clarity and no step-by-step system to show you how to effectively market your service-based business. That's exactly why we've created the Market Monster to eliminate all the confusion and give you a proven, easy-to-follow roadmap straight to success. So here's how it works. Step 1, I'll show you how to identify your target market. Step 2, we're going to create a strong value proposition. And step 3, I'm going to show you how you can build key relationships to help you grow your business. With this system, our clients learn how to cut through the noise so they can generate leads fast. This is just step 4 in our flagship program, the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint, a complete system designed to take you from aspiring entrepreneur to a successful fire alarm business in the fire alarm industry. Here's the roadmap. Stage 1, that's the foundation building. There we have the structure selector, the license navigator, and the insurance strategist. Stage 2 is our growth strategies. There we have our Market Monster, vendor guide, and I'll show you how you can get certified as a minority business enterprise. And finally, stage 3 is our expansion opportunities. There we have the contract navigator, brand architect, and the most important module of the whole entire program, the funding tool. This is the clearest, most proven system for anyone serious about building a successful fire alarm business. If you want to get crystal clear on the exact steps you should be taking right now to boost the sales and grow your business, book a free strategy call at the link below. In just 30 minutes, we'll identify what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step program, and see if you're a fit for the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. But this is only for serious entrepreneurs, only the ones that are driven to innovate and succeed, open to learning and applying new strategies, and also passionate about growing their business the right way. If this sounds like you, click the link below to book your free strategy call. I look forward to speaking with you.